Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on changing the screen timeout time on the Huawei Band 8. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Swipe down from the top of the home screen of the watch to open the control panel. Then tap the settings cog to open the settings. Scroll down to and tap on display and brightness. Scroll down the display and brightness settings and tap sleep. You can now choose between auto 10 seconds, 15 seconds and 20 seconds. Choose your preference and then tap the tick to confirm. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Huawei watch tips and tricks.